In this video, you will learn how to calculate average in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have calculated the average in rows as well as in columns. For example, you can see here this one shows the average sale of individual salesmen during 6 months, and this one shows the average sale of all salesmen during particular month. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, I am interested to calculate the average of John Smith during 6 months. So firstly, I will select the cell where I want to display the result of average. I want to display the average result in this cell. So I will firstly click on this cell. Now you can see here, I have selected this cell. After selecting, put equal sign, it means you are inserting the formula. After that, write average. Here you can see here Excel shows the average option. Double click on this and select the cell which you want to use for calculate the average. For example, I want to calculate the average of all these months, so I will select all these cells. Now you can see here I have selected the data from January to June. After doing that, close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see here Excel has automatically calculated the average of John Smith for 6 months. Additionally, if you want to change these values later on, Excel will automatically update the average value. For example, if I change it to 9,000 and press enter, now you can see here the average is updated. Similarly, you can also calculate the average in columns as well. For example, I want to calculate the average sales during January. Firstly, select the cell where you want to display the data, put equal sign, write average, double click on this, select those cells which contain the data, close the bracket and press enter. Now you can see here we have successfully calculated the average in rows as well as columns. There is no need to calculate the average for individual rows or individual columns. Excel has a useful function to calculate the average for remaining rows or remaining columns. For example, I am interested to calculate the average of remaining rows. Firstly, select this cell where you have already calculated the average or you have already applied the formula, and here place your cursor at the corner. When this plus sign appears, drag it to remaining cells, and you can see here Excel has automatically calculated the average for remaining salesmen during 6 months. Now you can also apply similar trick to this one. Select this cell, when plus sign appear, drag it to remaining cells, and Excel has automatically calculated the average for remaining columns. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.